In this video tutorial I will show you how to check your mouse DPI in Windows. First step is to disable the mouse acceleration. So to turn this off you want to go to the search bar and type mouse settings. And click on the first result. Click on additional mouse options. Here you need to open the pointer options. Make sure that enhanced pointer precision is turned off. Click on Apply and OK. Open any web browser. In the search bar type DPI Analyzer. And now open this first result. Scroll down until you see a ruler. Go to the target distance box, and enter 1. This means that you will have to move your mouse 1 inch across your mouse pad. Now we just need to click and hold this red target on the ruler and move our mouse 1 inch. Don't try to measure 1 inch on your screen, but simply use a regular ruler and put it next to your mouse. Then move the mouse 1 inch. We'll be able to see your mouse DPI right here. That is how you can check your mouse DPI in Windows.